Friends, so last video we have seen continuity and derivatives, the topic of continuity and derivatives, right? So before I want to say something to you all, so don't miss the videos, so you have to see continuously, because so one video you have, if you cannot see, so maybe some difficulties you have facing the understanding, right? So don't miss the videos. Now after seeing the videos, just comment. So if you have any doubts, if you have any improvement on me, right? So ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ, right? So today also I will discuss some more examples on continuity and derivatives, right? Now here first example, find the derivative of cos of x square, right? So this is y function, y equal to cos of x square with respect to x, nothing but you have to find the dy by dx. Here option is A minus cos x square, B minus 2x sin of x square, now C is minus 2x sin x, and D is 2x. So ಈ ಥರ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದೊಂದು ರೂಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. Now let the function is y equal to cos of x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now this is differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, now we know the differentiate of cos x. Cos x is sin x. Now this x square treated as x, right? Now so minus sin x square, inner derivative only cos x ಇದ್ದಾಗ inner derivative x is 1 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್. ನಾವು ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತಿ. ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 2x. ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. So the answer is here, B, minus 2x sin of x square. So either. So if you think critically, so similar examples, we have many examples: sin of x square, tan x square, cosec x square, sec x square, like this, right? So you have many examples. Either. One more example here I am considering. Inner function is some constant, only x square itti, but some constant ittappa antare. Anyway, you know that differentiate of constant function is 0 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. Now even though see option is C, ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್, cos of x square plus, but we know that sin is cos, but they are telling only cos of x square plus 5 right? Similarly, so it is all right. You ಏನಾದರೂ sin derivative cos ಅಂತ ಇದು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, right? Then B 2x sin of x square plus 5. Similarly, then C 2x cos of 2x plus 5. Anyway, ಇದು sin ಎರಡು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲ. Then C 2x cos of x square plus maybe, so this is right. Then B minus 2 cos 2x square plus x is x term ಹೋಗೈತಿ. Now see the solution. Let y equal to sin of x square plus 5. Now differentiate of this with respect to x. dy by dx equal to, now derivative of sin x is cos x. In place of x you have x square plus 5. Now inner derivative, x square plus 5 derivative is, so 2x plus constant term is 0. So 2x, only 2x. Now I am relating this one. So 2x into cos of x square plus 5. So answer is C. 2x into cos of x square plus 5. So this type thing right? Then one more example. If y equal to e raised to log x, then dy by dx equal to what? Then dy by dx equal to what? Then your option is A is e raised to log x, then only e, C, then C is log x, and D is 1. So ಈ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ರೈಟ್? ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ದಟ್ differentiate of e raised to x is e raised to x ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So some of people are doing that, so maybe A ಇರಬೇಕಂತಾರೆ, but A is not correct. Then B, so ಇದೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. Then C, log x, so only log x ಇದೆ, ಇದೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. Then D ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲಿ, right? Now see D, how to differentiate this function? See, let y equal to e raised to log x, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, right? But we know the logarithmic function formula, some expression y equal to e raised to log of f of x. This is function f of x. ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದ್ರ when it is log to the base e, natural logarithm ಅಂತಂದ್ರ then y is f of x. Y is f of x. e raised to log of f of x is f of x. ಈ expression use ಮಾಡಿ I am writing this expression into f of x ಇದೆ, x ಇದೆ. So y equal to x. I am using this expression, right? So if the function is y equal to x side, now differentiate this function with respect to x. Now dy by dx is 1, but your answer is 1, right? So ಈ ತರ example ಭಾಳ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, so you have to careful. Then one more example, very simple. If root x plus root y equal to root 10, what is the dy by dx? What is the dy by dx? Now your answer is 1 by root x minus root of y by x, 1 by 2 root x, so d is 0, right? Now this expression I am rewriting above equation. Square root of x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I am writing x raised to x to the power 1 by 2 plus y to the power 1 by 2. Then your constant term, anyway constant term differentiation is 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That's why I am keeping root 10 only. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now 1 by 2 into, now different ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಾ. So 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into y raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. So ಯಾವಾಗ y ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಆಗ್ತದೆ equal to differential constant term is 0. Then I am rewriting this one, 1 by 2 minus 1 nothing but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 2 minus 1 is, so you have 1 minus 1 ಅದ್ರಾಗ half ಕಳೆಯಿರಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ತೆಗೆಯಿರಿ, remaining is, so nothing but 1 by plus 1 by 2 is 1, right? And I am subtracting 1 by 2 minus 1, so that is minus 1 by 1. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1 is here. Similarly 1 by 2 minus 1 is again minus 1 by 2. So x raised to minus 1 by 2 is, I am taking numerator term, I am taking this numerator, this also numerator term, this becomes plus, right? This becomes plus, if it is plus 1 by 2 x raised to plus 1 by 2, right? This is equal to 1 by root x, 2 root x, right? x to the power 1 by 2 root x per button. Now 1 divided by 2 into root x plus 1 divided by 2 into root y into dy by dx equal to 0. Then I am keeping this term here, this one into, I am transferring to the RHS side. So if you have plus like this, so this becomes minus. Now dy by dx equal to, so minus 1 by 2 root x. Now this 2 and these 2 get cancelled, right? Then dy by dx equal to 1 by root y ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so this becomes cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, so minus root y by root x. So this is equal to minus square root of square root of, so square root of y by x. So your answer is minus b1 minus square root of y by x. Similarly, same here, same expression, right here, root x plus root y equal to root 10 ಐತಿ, but here we have root 9. So anyway, this after differentiating, so this become 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx at 4, 9. We have given some points for them. We have a given points x and y, the values. X is 4, then y is 9. So this is x and this is y. X under 4 ಐತಿ, y under 9 ಐತಿ, right? So ಈ term suppose ಇಲ್ಲೇನ 10 ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 10 ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, same differentiation up to ಇಂತನಕ similar. Not only 10, ಯಾವ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಬೇಕಾದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ term, because after differentiate that becomes 0, right? ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. dy by dx is minus square root of y by x. I am using here dy by dx equal to minus square root of y is 9, x is 4. So you have a perfect square here, 9 and 4. So 9 is 3 and 4 is 2. So your answer is minus 3 by 2 here. So your answer is minus 3 by 2. So which is the some important questions on PUC KCA.